Welcome to another Strategic Thinking episode. These episodes cover topics related to business, industry and the economy, and also your place in it and the organisation that you work for, that you serve, that you're associated with, their place in it, and how that you and that organisation can achieve long-term success. These episodes are about creating a pathway to the future. This episode is about the future of work. Specifically, it's about your career, or it might be the career of that student in your life. You know, you think about all the changes that are happening and you're grappling with that. You know, it's just like you've got someone that you know that is at school. It might be one of your children. It might be you're looking for a change of career midstream. You might be a guardian, someone might be a friend of a friend. What is the future of work? And you might be just about to launch in and spend some time and resources on education materials, a whole course, whatever it is, or helping a student choose a pathway in their final years of school. Are those choices you're about to make future-proof? Are those choices you're about to make, or that person is about to make, going to withstand the changes that are coming over the horizon? What is a future-proof career? You might have heard some of those statistics where between now and 2030, 40% of current jobs are likely to disappear. You might have read some stories about IBM's Watson and doing the medical diagnostics for, quite successfully, around cancer diagnosis, or even to do with the eye. You might have heard of or read about the natural language generation software, which is actually writing sports reports and finance reports rather than human journalists. It's the computer journalists which are writing those. You might have seen all these changes and you think, what should I do? Throw my hands up and say, it's just all too hard, and go and climb into a little cave and shutter out the world? No. There are some pathways, there are some things that you can do, there are some things to handle this change, and it's interesting to look at the research. Here's a chart, and this relates to business, to any organisations. Think about work this way. Let's frame it this way. You know, a business or a government organisation, whatever, a business is set up to do stuff. And so it employs people to do that stuff. You think about the tasks that those people come along and bring along to that organisation, along to that business. Those tasks are broadly manual tasks and cognitive tasks. Further subdivided, there's routine manual, non-routine manual, routine cognitive, non-routine cognitive. And if you look at the chart, over the last 50 years, the demand for 3 out of the 4 tasks has been dropping. And the only task type which is increasing in demand is the non-routine cognitive. And there lies the hint for developing a future-proof career. It's around those non-routine cognitive skills. So let's go a little bit deeper into those non-routine cognitive skills. What they are people skills and thinking skills. So broadly applying that to that student in your life, to that career you're looking at changing to that area, to that advice that you're wanting to give to that student, to that person, you know, whatever that situation. Think about the job they're going to do. Think about the career that they're going to do. Do thinking skills, do people skills apply to that job? What's the intensity of thinking skills and people skills to that job, to that career path? Because that's where the pathway to the future lies. That's where the careers of the future lie, for those who can bring people skills and or thinking skills to those businesses, to those organisations, because it's those skills which are going to be in demand. The future of work is promising. You just need to think strategically about your options. So finally, thanks for watching and all the best for the decisions you need to make.